Let's go to Katie Brown.
Spectacle.
She's on the sunny coast. She's spectacular.
I want to give you something spectacular right back, but it's not Snoop Doggy Dogg. It is the Ginger Factory all morning. We've been talking about ginger and haven't been able to show you. So here, take some ginger into that sinus of yours. It will clear everything out just by watching. No, not really. Scratch and sniff. When we can get that smell-o-vision, it's going to be fabulous. All right, Jess, thankfully, you're with us. You've got the ginger. Let's walk and talk because I want to show you what it looks like when you match syrup with it. You're part of the tours, though, that go on here. What am I learning? Blow my mind.
So you're learning how we process the ginger from start to finish. We store 3,000 tonnes of ginger in our storage vats. We then sort and cut it. And then the next part of the process, we're coming into our syruping room, which is what we've got here.
Morning, everyone. Oh, okay. So all of this is a heap of ginger that we're all going to eat.
Yeah.
Simple answer, yes. Okay, fabulous. And then it gets darker. Why is it darker?
So that's the amount of time that it's sitting there. 10 to 12 days we syrup the ginger and then we take it out.
Yummy, 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 yummy. I actually have been wanting to admit something. I've had an addiction to their dark chocolate ginger drops and I had to take myself off of them because I was taking too many before I got on the flight and then it became, unhealthy. But we're back here for a reason. I'll check your forecast, around the country.
Sunrise weather, brought to you by Beacon's Spring Collection. Featuring new Australian designs, these pieces are now 30% off any second item. Sale ends Sunday.
Weather as well.
Brisbane, partly cloudy, 22. Sydney, a possible shower, 18. Canberra, morning frost, mostly sunny, 15 degrees. Melbourne, showers and 15. Hobart, you've got a shower or two, 16. Adelaide, a possible shower and 17. On the west, Perth is sunshine, 23. And Darwin is sunny, 32 degrees. So weird, Ellis, how they managed to find their way back into my hand.
Oh, look at that. This must be the only place where you get served chocolate and special gummies for breakfast.
A special gummies. What's in the special gummies, Ellis?
Special gummies with a little bit of vitamin C and, of course, our Australian ginger juice supporting local farmers. This is our whole bioactive range, potent, powerful, pregnant women safe, motion sickness relief, very good Australian ginger.
Get it in you. I love it. I'm going to eat plenty of these. They do. They've got everything ginger, you name it, they've got it. Yeah. So come and visit.
Thank you, Katie.
Bye.
Bye. Now.